What's up, guys? It's Ryan from Beast Fishers, back with another episode, and today we're going to be catching some gorgeous brown trout in this crystal clear river. So let's start fishing. Alright, you guys, so in the area that we were fishing today, it was illegal to use bait, so we were just using some small spoons, and we were working pretty good, so yeah. Alright guys, so if you're a little squeamish, you might want to skip a minute or two, because in the next scene we're going to be cleaning this brown trout. Alright, so my dad is gutting this fish. I'm going to show you guys how to. So you just cut it like that. And then you just pull all the guts out, and they come out in one big glob. Just like that. And look at that pretty meat inside. Some pretty meat. It's gonna be good eats. Alright guys, so now we come to the cooking part of this video. Alright, and we just cooked this. We got some more butter and salt, peppers. It wasn't anything fancy. There we go. Pretty good, so enjoy. Want some more grease? Yum. This is gonna be delicious, right, Dad? Alright, so we're gonna try to peel this guy, see if he's done. If you do it just like that, you can almost get a perfect fillet.
Not quite done.
Yeah. It's almost done now.
This side was close, but not quite.
Yeah.
A little more butter in there.
Alright. Alright guys, so we almost have 10 subscribers. So go down there, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video. I'll see you next one. Oh, and it's so good!